Hello everyone. After conducting classroom training for hundreds of bankers, ranging from traders, mid-office, back-office and risk staff on one hand, to credit personnel, corporate banking RMs and IT staff on the other, Origin Risk Management launches its e-learning platform for financial markets. This platform combines the strength of a classroom training with the flexibility of e-learning, allowing us to focus on individuals like never before. Learn only what you want, when you want, where you want, and at a pace that you feel comfortable with. The training is built by financial market professionals for the financial market professionals, combining thousands of hours of our training experience with the experience of running global financial market business. Our approach to learning remains the same: learning by doing. The platform provides hundreds of short videos, exercises, assignments, quizzes, and trading simulators. You will solve large number of problems spread across the training modules that will crystallize your understanding. The material is stitched together in form of several courses targeted at a wide range of audience. Ranging from beginners to experienced professionals, from credit risk professionals to corporate banking RMs, from salespeople to interbank traders, from IT staff to market risk professionals. You will learn about cash and derivative products from asset classes like equity, FX, interest rate, and credit. You will learn to price products like forwards, futures, options, and swaps. You will learn how to mark-to-market these products and assess credit and market risk associated with them. You will also learn how a trader manages a portfolio of these products on a day-to-day basis with the help of trading simulators. Daily MTM, P&L, cash management, rate fixing, time-bucketed Greeks, and the list goes on. You will also learn about OTC and exchange-traded products, about collaterals, margins, and central counterparty clearing, along with emerging trends and regulations. All of these without going beyond school-level math. Would you like to learn more about this platform? Please write to us at info@origin-rm.com and we will get back to you with all the required information. We thank you for your time.